with the third party, with their collaboration, with investment. So totally, we get around 53 megawatts of power, which is 100% of our requirement, both solar as well as wind energy. So this is the first thing that we want to focus in the manufacturing area. In addition, on the water conservation and water utilization, we have two ponds to conserve the rainwater. One is to discharge water to the groundwater level improvement. Another one is a light one, which is around 53,000 cubic meter. And nearly 91% of our water requirement for the plant is the recycled and this rainwater. We use just 9% of fresh water for basically for drinking. Next is green. We have around 330,000 trees within our premises of 430 acres. And that's basically, if you've heard of Miyawaki method of afforestation, it's done using that methodology. And you can imagine how much the CO2 absorption that can make. And also, out of 430 acres, we have used around 25 acres to create a eco-zone. This is basically a kind of educational park on environment. We adults already spoiled, but we want to at least improve the understanding of the next generation. So this park is basically for school children education on environment, recycle, reuse, etc. Everything is taught here. And this has around 150 plus species of birds nesting. Out of that, nearly 9 are endangered species. And they are all newcomers in the last 10 years or so. So this is about entire ecology around us in the manufacturing. Of course, then we have the end of life management. We started in a humble way in 2 places in India. Then suppliers, we have something called a green supplier agreement. It means before a supplier is selected, we have certain requirement towards the green. And one of that important thing is solar power utilization or renewable energy. Today around 60% of the suppliers' power usage is coming from the green, especially from the major suppliers. And logistics, of course.